Hello children. So now you know three-digit numbers. Let's learn how to quickly count three-digit numbers with the help of grouping. Look, Babban is walking in the park while enjoying eating bananas. Hey, what is this shining object? It looks like a magical lamp. Babban picks up the lamp and is rubbing it hard.
My master, I will fulfill three of your wishes.
Suddenly, a voice of a genie is heard from the lamp. Babban got nervous.
Tell me, my master, what is your first wish?
Babban is feeling that this is a golden chance for him to become the richest man in the village. He said to the genie, "I want 300 gold coins."
If you can count all the 300 coins in 5 minutes, then you can keep them,
Genie said to Babban. Babban became happy. This is very easy. I will easily be able to count 300 coins in 5 minutes. Babban said to Genie. Suddenly, 300 gold coins appeared in front of Babban.
You have 5 minutes. Begin now.
1, 2, 3, 4. Babban began counting in speed.
Your time is now over,
Genie said to Babban. Hey, what is this? Babban has barely counted 70 coins.
You could not count all the coins. You won't get these coins.
Genie disappeared after saying this. Babban sat on the bench disappointed. Look, it seems like Babban's best friend, Gaggu Rhino, is also coming here.
What happened, Babban? Why are you so worried?
Gaggu Rhino asked Babban. Babban narrates the entire story to Gaggu.
That's all. I can give you an idea. But you will have to give me half of those coins,
Gaggu said to Babban. Okay, Babban said to Gaggu hesitatingly.
I will teach you an easy trick for counting quickly. Suppose you have to count these 20 stones. Then you can count them quickly by making groups. Come, let's count this. If we count them in the group of 5, then we can count them easily. We will make a group of 5 like this. Then another group of 5 that makes them 10. Third group 15. And with the final group of 5, they total up to 20.
Wow, Gaggu, this is really easy. But I will have to count in 3-digit numbers. Can I use this trick even then? Babban asked Gaggu.
Of course, whether counting 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers or more than that, you can use the trick of counting by forming groups,
Gaggu explained to Babban. Then I will definitely be able to get the coins from Genie tomorrow, Babban said excitedly to Gaggu.
But don't forget my share, Babban,
Gaggu said to Babban, and both of them started laughing. So children, in this lesson, we learned to count quickly with the help of groups. In the next video, we will learn to count quickly in the group of 10. In the previous video, we saw how Gaggu taught Babban to count quickly through the trick of counting in groups. Come, in this video, let's learn to count quickly in the group of 10. Unable to get the first wish fulfilled, Babban is today once again rubbing the lamp in the park. Come, let's see what will happen next. Babban picks up the lamp and is rubbing it hard.
My master, I will fulfill 2 of your wishes.
Voice of genie can be heard from inside the lamp. Babban is happy.
Tell my master, what is your second wish?
Genie's voice is heard once again. I want 300 gold coins. Babban said to Genie.
If you can count all the 300 coins in 5 minutes, then you can keep them.
Genie said to Babban. This is very easy. With the help of Gaggu's trick of group counting, I will be able to count the coins very easily. Babban thought to himself. Suddenly, 300 gold coins appeared in front of Babban.
Your 5 minutes are starting now.
Genie said to Babban. Babban quickly begins counting by making a group of 10 coins. At first, he counted 100 coins by making groups of 10 coins each like this. Then he counted from 100 to 200 by making groups of 10 coins each like this. Can you help Babban in counting coins from 200 to 300? Come, let's help Babban by filling the blanks in this table. This is absolutely right. Bravo! Oh wow! Babban has counted 300 coins within 5 minutes. I have done it! I have done it! Yeah! Babban started dancing happily.
These coins are all yours, my master.
The genie said this and disappeared, and Babban got all those coins. Just then Gaggu came there. Babban was still dancing happily, but today he was not at all happy seeing Gaggu there. He remembered that he will have to give half of the coins to Gaggu. He gave away 150 coins to Gaggu unhappily. Gaggu took the coins and left. I wish I had asked for more coins, thought Babban sadly. Just then he remembered that he still has another wish left. Babban is now happy, and in his mind he decided what his third wish would be. Babban's third wish, we will see that in our next video. In this video, we learned to quickly count 3-digit numbers in group of 10. In the previous video, we learned to quickly count 3-digit numbers in the groups of 10. In this video, let's learn to quickly count 3-digit numbers in the groups of 50. But before that, can you complete this table by counting in groups of 10? Well done, children. You did it very quickly. Babban has once again come to the park today for his third wish. Let's see what Babban is going to ask Ginny as his third wish. Babban picked up the lamp and is rubbing it hard.
My master, what is your final wish?
Ginny's voice could be heard from the lamp. I want 950 lamps, Babban said to Ginny. Babban thought that if he gets another 950 lamps, then he could ask for as many wishes as he wants.
If you can count all the 950 lamps in 10 minutes, then you can keep them,
Ginny said to Babban. Today, 950 lamps appeared in front of Babban. Babban is unable to control his happiness. Can I begin counting? Babban asked Ginny.
Your 10 minutes start now,
Ginny said to Babban. This time Babban is counting more intelligently. This time he started counting in the group of 50. He counted 200 lamps in the group of 50 lamps, each like this. Then he counted from 200 to 500 by making group of 50 lamps each like this. Can you help Babban in counting from 500 to 950 lamps? Come, let's help Babban by filling the blanks in this table. This is absolutely right. Well done. Babban has counted 950 lamps within 10 minutes. Babban fainted in happiness. He is unable to believe that now he has 950 lamps.
These lamps are yours, my master.
The genie disappeared after saying this. And this time the lamp in which the genie was also disappeared. Babban became conscious and crazily started rubbing one of the 950 lamps very hard. Even after trying a lot, nothing came out of that lamp. Babban was shocked and started rubbing other lamps anxiously. Nothing happened even after a lot of trying. Babban became sad. Then he realized his mistake. He had asked the genie only for lamps and not magical lamps. He started crying loudly on his mistake. Now he did not have any magical lamp with him. In this video, we learned to count 3-digit numbers in the group of 50. Hello children, today we will listen to the interesting stories narrated by Uncle Big Mouth and learn about the expanded form of 3-digit numbers. Oh wow, Chanda and Golu Panda have also come to Uncle's house to listen to the stories with us. The name of the first story is Piper. Many years ago, when Sher Khan's great-grandfather was the king, Lots of rats came to his kingdom all of a sudden. The rats had created panic in the entire kingdom. They used to enter the houses in the village and quietly eat all the food. The king made an announcement in the village that whoever will be successful in getting the rats out of the village will be given a reward. At first, Golu's great-grandfather tried. He filled an entire room with laddus and left the doors open. He thought the rats will come to the room at night and then he will immediately lock them. It happened just the way he thought. The rats came to the room and he closed the doors of the room. Next morning, when the unconscious rats were counted, it was found that a total of 78 rats were caught. Children, do you remember that we learned to write two-digit numbers in class 2? Come, let's see how to write the number 78. We can write 78 by expanding it into two parts like this. Add 70 and 8. Many other people tried to catch the rats after Golu Panda's great-grandfather's effort. The number of rats caught by them is written in this table. Can you fill in the blanks by using the method of writing by expanding two-digit numbers? Despite everyone's efforts, there were still many rats in the kingdom. Finally, one day, Bunny Rabbit, the piper, came to the village. He went around the village playing his flute. Hearing the melodious sound of his flute, the rats started following him. All the rats gathered behind him. He continued playing his flute and was successful in taking the rats out of the village. The king was very happy and decided to give 625 gold coins to Bunny as a reward. But the king placed a condition before giving the coins. He asked Bunny to tell him the expanded form of 625. Come, let's see how to write the expanded form of three-digit numbers. To write 625, let's start with 600. Can you tell what will we get by adding 1 to 600? Yes, you got it right. We will get 601. Similarly, by adding 2 to 600, we will get 602. By adding 3, we will get 603. In the same way, when we add 25 to 600, we will get 625. In other words, we can say that 625 is 25 digits ahead of 600. Now, by using the method of expanding two-digit numbers, we can also write 25 like this. Add 20 and 5. This method is known as writing in expanded form. Bunny became very popular and he went village to village playing his flute. From the next village, he got 801 coins as reward. Can you write this number in expanded form? Come, let's do it together. 801. This number is 1 ahead of 800. So we can write it in expanded form as add 800 and 1. Bunny got tired going around villages. He thought that whatever prize money he will get in this village, he will use it to buy a small house and spend his remaining life in peace. He drove away all the rats from the last village and got these many coins as reward. Can you identify the number of which this is the expanded form? This is very easy to do. First, we will add 70 and 8 and we get 78. We know that the number 478 is ahead of 400 by 78. In this way, we can identify a number through its expanded form. Bunny bought a small house for himself and started living in it happily. Children, in this lesson, we learn to write three-digit numbers in expanded form. In the next video, we will see the interesting form of different numbers. Hello children, are you liking the stories of Uncle Big Mouth? In this lesson, we will look at some common mistakes related to writing three-digit numbers in expanded form. Uncle Big Mouth is asking Chanda and Golu to answer some riddles. Between the two of them, whoever will answer his riddle correctly, he will give a trophy to that person. Uncle is telling Chanda and Golu, can you form the number from this expanded form? Uncle asked his first riddle. Chanda and Golu started thinking what the answer to the riddle could be. Children, you also think about the answer to this riddle. Chanda answered at once, 352. Do you think Chanda's answer is correct? This answer is wrong. Uncle said to Chanda, do you know the correct answer? Come, let's solve this riddle together. Children, we always write the expanded form beginning with three-digit numbers followed by two-digit numbers, and in the end we write the one-digit number. Therefore, we will write this expanded form in this way. Now first we will add 50 and 3, which becomes 53. Now we will add 53 to 200. Thus we get one number, 253. So the answer to Uncle's riddle is 253. Come, let's see what is Uncle's second riddle. Is the expanded form of these two numbers the same? Uncle asked Chanda and Golu. Golu answered, yes. Is Golu's answer correct? Come, let's see. To solve this riddle, we will have to write the expanded form of both the numbers. We can write the expanded form of 798 like this. And 897 can be written in expanded form like this. We can see that the expanded form of both the numbers is different. That's why Golu's answer is incorrect. You will not get the toffee, Golu. Your answer is wrong. While writing the expanded form, you exchanged the places of numbers 100 and 1. Therefore, both the expanded forms seemed same to you. Although in reality, the expanded form of these two numbers is different. Uncle says to Golu, here is my last riddle. Can you write the expanded form of this number? Uncle asked Chanda and Golu. Chanda gave this answer. And Golu's answer is this. Can you tell whose answer is correct? Think. Come, let's write this number in expanded form. 553 is 53 ahead of 500. Therefore, we can write it like this by adding 53 to 500. Now we will write the expanded form of 53 as 3 added to 50. So this is the expanded form of 553. Chanda just added the 3 digits while writing the expanded form of the number. which adds up to 13, not 553. That is wrong. We can see that Golu has written the correct answer by using the correct method of writing the expanded form of number. Well done, Golu. Your answer is correct. Here is your trophy, Uncle said to Golu and gave him a trophy. Golu gave half of the trophy to Chanda. Chanda and Golu ate the toffee. Then they went to their homes. Children, in this lesson, we looked at some common mistakes related to writing the expanded form of 3-digit numbers. Hope you will not repeat those mistakes.